What is going on, everybody? I've got a really cool unboxing for you today. It's the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. Need to work on the name of the phone a little bit, but this is not one that I ordered. Somebody I know was kind enough to let me unbox the phone they ordered from Samsung.com. So this is, of course, retail packaging. This arrived yesterday, Friday. That is, this video will be probably published Saturday or Sunday, so you'll be able to see this unboxing about a day after it arrived. So let's get started here. I'm not my regular setup, so forgive me if the camera shakes at all. Don't even have an unboxing knife, but able to bring you this unboxing here. So let's see. Let's take care of this seal. Sorry about the shaking there. Again, not my regular setup, but I thought if I had an opportunity to bring you guys an unboxing of the Z Fold 2, I figure if you're watching this, you're the type that can't get enough of these types of videos. So beautiful. All right, seals are broken. Beautiful, beautiful packaging here. You see that bronze, mystic bronze Z. It says Z Fold 2 5G, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G on this side, and on the back here, some packaging information. Says unlocked by Samsung. And then on the other side, all you have is the IMEI information. So I'll cover that up, and it says made in Korea. All right, so looks like this slides right out. Beautifully done, Samsung. And here we are. First time I'm unboxing a foldable. I've never had a foldable phone in my hands before. I've seen them at Best Buy, but they're always encased in glass. All right, so, okay, nice touch, like a butterfly, it opens up. It says, change the shape of the future. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. I hope so, Samsung. I hope this is a harbinger of things to come for the mobile industry. Set that card to the side. And we have our familiar packaging here at the top of the box from Samsung, just in a completely different dimensions here, much more squared off. Let's see what we got in here. So open this up. More booklets. We've got our SIM ejection tool, which I will make use of here in a bit. And that's about it. File those off to the side. Care instructions. It says, do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail. Doing so could result in product damage, such as scratches or dents. If you want to read the rest of these, you can just pause it, and I think you can. I think you'll be able to read those. So, see, folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as cards, coins, or keys placed in between the screens, as doing so may cause damage. This device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquid or small particles such as water, coffee, or sand may cause product damage, such as scratches or dents on the screen. Do not remove the screen protector film, and do not install other films or stickers, as doing so may cause product damage. Your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets, such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. If you have an implantable medical device, consult your physician before use. All right, thank you for that, Samsung. And wow, this is it's an interesting moment for me. First time I'm holding the foldable here, and it is pretty heavy, but the weight distribution is pretty good. Let's see here on the side, you've got your power button, which doubles as a fingerprint reader, volume rocker, and here we are on the back. It says, when using a wireless charger, fold the device and place the center of the device's back on the center of the wireless charger. So basically like you would a regular slab, just make sure you have the phone folded. And you see the front display here. And on this side, pretty clean, except for your SIM card, which goes in there. All right, really, really nice. So let's see, let's get this packaging off here. I'll start with, I don't know where I'm going to start. I want to be so careful with this. Okay, oh, there we go. No wonder. All right, so it goes from the back. I'll be quiet. here we are. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2, almost said flip. It says manufactured in Korea, down here on the bottom. And yeah, here's the screen protector for the front display. And there is one, of course, as well on the inside display. Really, really nice here. So as you see on the front, it's nothing but display, pretty evenly distributed bezels. You got the front-facing camera right there. And on the back, you've got your camera array here. Got 3 lenses. Got the telephoto, the wide angle, the main lens, flash here. And on your front display, which is much better this time around than on the original Fold, you have your front-facing camera. 60 hertz display on this front screen here, and when you unfold it, the main display is 120 hertz. So good job there, Samsung. So let me boot this up and probably put my my friend's SIM in here so that I can start their phone up and transfer everything. All right, let me do that and I'll get right back to you. Almost forgot to show you everything else that's in the box, in the device here. So let me start with that. So we put the phone off to the side here and it says your Galaxy foldable device comes with specialized customer care services designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. There you see that info. It says that you have a one-time screen replacement offer. Out of warranty, it'll cost you $150. So let's see what else is in this box. All right, we'll set this card off to the side. Got your wall charger here. Looks like the same one that comes with other Galaxy devices. Set that off to the side. And we have our USB-C to USB-C cable here. Nothing special. And I'm pretty sure that's all that comes in this box, unlike the original Fold, in which you got, for example, a case. This thing is empty here. So that's it. That's it for this box. Let's see if I take this out. There is nothing left in there. So, alrighty, here we go. Let's get started. Okay, let me go with just the non-optional stuff. So just to update, I'm logging in here and going to switch my friend's stuff over to the new phone. So it's updating Smart Switch. Be right back. All right, so just bringing over data. The old phone was a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. All right, so we are back here, getting everything set up. Apps, data, etc. are all downloading from this old phone. And here we are. She's a beauty, isn't she? Let's check it out here. Beautiful 120 hertz display, buttery smooth. And let's dive into settings here. See what we got. Looks like a phone running One UI from Samsung. Got the same options as everywhere else. And I don't know if this is because of copying app data over or not, but it started out in dark mode instead of the light mode, which is pretty cool. I probably would have set it to dark mode anyway. And so yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's go into display, see what the settings look like. Have the brightness here pretty high, I believe, because it's on adaptive brightness and I'm right next to the window to give you a little bit better lighting. Motion smoothness, you can set it to adaptive or standard. And if you are paying this much for a phone, I think you want to get everything you can out of it. And one of those things is definitely the 120 hertz display, which in my opinion has become a deal breaker in 2020 for a new smartphone. Screen mode is set to vivid. Looks like, I don't know if that's by default or not, to be honest, but it's vivid when I started the phone. I don't know if it copied information over or not. Let me quiet this thing up so that you don't keep hearing that. Sorry about that. Let's go back. Let's go into advanced settings and see what we got here. Of course, you can change the red, green, and blue settings on your display. Font size and style. It is a little bit left, a little bit smaller than right in the middle. Out of the box, you can pick a font style if you want, just like other Samsung phones. And of course, you can bold the font if you want as well. And you've got your regular settings there: navigation bar, accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, etc. Let's go to navigation bar and see what we got here. Maybe we will go with the swipe gestures. See how that works. All right, gesture hints. Take that off for now. Looking good here. Very, very nice. All right, let's see what else we got. Biometrics and security, you got your regular options here, your face recognition, your fingerprints, etc. Didn't set anything up yet. I will have my friend do that, since of course this is going to be their phone. And so let's take a look at one or two apps here and just see how it looks on this Fold. Of course, this is just an unboxing, but let's see here. Let's go to YouTube, put on just one of my own videos just for copyright reasons. And let's see here. Looks great. Now if I flip it this way, okay, well, let's see if I full screen it. There we go. Can I zoom in? Nope. But this is how it looks. Full screen. Very cool. Now if I do this, okay, it stays in full screen. If I go like this, okay, I thought it changed into some sort of thought it went into some other mode here which shows you the comments and stuff, but I guess not. So go like that, go like that. Okay. And if I do this, all right, well, I'll have to mess with this thing and see what it can do in terms of all of these foldable modes, but the phone feels really, really good in the hand. As I said, it's a little bit heavy, but it's good weight distribution. I wouldn't call it fatiguing or anything, and it feels so well built, which is just really important, I think. So really, really nice here. Let's see, let me get out of here and let's go to the camera. Let's see what we can find here. There you see a gigantic viewfinder. That's pretty cool. So if I switch it to the selfie mode here, and let me, oh, really cool. Okay, so I had this the wrong way, but if I set this like this, then it's got the controls on the bottom, the latest photo that was taken, of course, and yeah, really, really cool. So this makes taking selfies or pictures with anybody really, really easy, because all you have to do is fold this and you don't need anybody to take the photo for you. You don't have to worry about resting it on anything and doing the auto timer. So this thing is honestly super rad, and I can't wait to show my buddy all the things that they can do as far as launching multiple apps at once, taking advantage of the screen real estate, the different modes, using the folding mechanism that you can take advantage of. More apps are going to be taking advantage of that as foldables increase in popularity. So that's all. This was just a very quick unboxing. Again, apologies, this isn't my regular setup here. I had an opportunity, short notice, to unbox a Galaxy Z Fold2 for you. So I wanted to take advantage of that. I am going to be getting the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So subscribe if you want to check that out. Please stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.